Do you want a crispy dough without having to spend the dough? Well, we have the perfect tabletop oven for you. Travel to Italy? No need. Set it up in your garden and make the most of those long summer evenings. This oven is made of stainless steel and all the measurements and sizes will be on our website. Now this pizza oven comes with 4 foldable legs to allow you to keep your pizza oven nice and sturdy when cooking. The chimney is both easy to attach and detach when you're done. Not only is that sturdy, with one twist, easy to clean up. This easy design, you simply hold the handle, take the door off, and you have access to see inside. The temperature gauge helps you monitor the perfect interior temperature of this pizza oven, so you can get the perfect crisp on your dough. The temperature of this oven ranges from 350 to 400 degrees. Load it up with a fire starter and you're on your way to cooking your perfect family pizza. We used kindling to help kickstart our pizza oven when we did our one. So you've enjoyed your pizza and it's time for the cleanup. Yes, everyone's got to do it. So if you make your way round to the back, you have this easy to pull out drawer that collects all of the ash and leftover charcoal. Now this pizza spatula is big enough so it allows you to make pizzas up to 12 inches. Well, there you have it. No need to go to Italy. You can cook authentic pizzas in the comfort of your own garden surrounded by your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you next time.